I used this rice water on my scalp for 7 days straight, and here is what happened. Hi guys, so welcome back to my channel Beauty Made Easy. So today in this video I'm going to review the fermented rice water for hair growth that I bought from Amazon. This brand is called Mystiq Living. I bought this off Amazon because I was so interested to use the rice water on my scalp, but I'm not sure how to make it at home. So then I searched Amazon and I found this wonderful product from Mystiq Living. This is a fermented rice water. So first let me show you the product. This fermented rice water comes in a plastic spray bottle. So the direction for use says spray this directly onto your scalp or face to hydrate. And the ingredient list is so very interesting. It just has 100% pure fermented rice water, and that's it. Nothing else. This fermented rice water spray for hair has a light watery consistency. It is not thick or oily, which makes it easy to spritz directly onto your scalp without leaving any residue. I used this rice water on my scalp for 7 days straight, and here is what happened. On day 1, I sprayed it all over my scalp. It has a very strong fermented smell which I couldn't bear at all. But we got to do what we got to do. So I kept on spraying it on my scalp and gave it a light massage. On day 2, I couldn't bear the strong fermented smell. The smell remains on my scalp for at least half an hour before it goes off completely. It is lightweight, fast absorbing spray that soaks into the hair cuticle and scalp without weighing hair down. Perfect for use as a leave-in treatment. On day 3 also, I used this on my scalp. It feels just like water, no stickiness or greasiness. After applying and massaging, I put a bun and leave it on. Day 4 is my hair wash day, and I'm applying the spray in the evening. By now I have become used to the smell, and also there's one update. I'm actually seeing less hair fall. So today when I shampooed my hair, I saw very less hair fall. On day 5, I got used to the smell of this one. My scalp feels fresh and healthy. On day 6, my scalp feels so refreshed and my roots are feeling healthier than before. It is not greasy anymore. On day 7, my scalp feels super healthy and balanced. And the back of the packaging, it is written that Mystiq Living rice water is fermented from the highest grade Doon basmati rice. So this spray is a multi-purpose spray. You can also use this for your face as a face toner. But I use this for my scalp as a scalp mist or a scalp spray. Rice water has been used in centuries, especially in China, to grow long and healthy hair. And scalp is something, the fundamental, the primary building blocks of a healthy hair. So if you want long, healthy hair and to reduce hair fall, the first step is to take care of your scalp, and that is why I tried the Mystiq Living fermented rice water. If you have a sensitive nose, the smell might be slightly not too pleasing for you guys, but if you want something to work, then you need to take that risk. I will never use this on my face because I don't want to have that smell directly onto my face, but for my hair, definitely I will use this fermented rice water for the rest of the month until this bottle gets over. This is 100 ml of the bottle and it is priced at rupees 269. Always do a patch test if you have any scalp condition. If you find this video useful, then do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Until the next time, take care.